everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Nishay, and in this video I will be showing you how I take down my mini twists. Yes, it has been a long time coming and my scalp is screaming. So let's get right into it. This is what the hair looks like right now, and as you can see it still looks pretty well kept. I've had this style in for about 2.5 months, and as I go through my hair I'll also show you a side-by-side of how the hair has transitioned over these few months. I know I said prior that I was going to keep this style in for at least 3 months, but you know, well, y'all about to see in a second. So you can see here that my hair started matting at the roots. If you saw my refresh video for these twists, then you know that in order to prevent this, it is ideal to redo the twists after about a month or so. I only refreshed my perimeter and where the part is, so this is the full 2.5 months worth of new growth, which looks to be at least 1 inch. Okay, please excuse the back of my head in advance, y'all. As you may know by now, I do have scalp psoriasis and the back of my head is one of my problem areas. Not gonna lie to y'all, I did get a bit lazy the last week with my scalp maintenance routine because I knew I was going to take the twists out anyways. So my psoriasis flared up. And it ain't pretty, of course, but don't worry, we're gonna take care of that in a little bit. First, I put my hair up in a ponytail and I start in the back. I begin by carefully unraveling the twist. I start at the end and roll the twist in the opposite direction until I create a large enough hole to fit my finger through, and then I pull the rest of the twist apart. I go up another 1 or 2 inches and then do it again and work my way to the top. Then I carefully remove the extension hair from the middle. I won't go into too much detail with this removal technique as I have explained it step by step in my refresh video, which is linked up above and down below, so check it out if you want a more detailed explanation. Next, I take my steel pin rat tail comb and carefully take out the plat. As you can see here, there's a whole lot of nasty, scary looking buildup back here, but we got something for that. To detangle my hair, I will be using an ACV rinse. I take about a 1/4 cup, maybe less, of the apple cider vinegar and mix it with warm water in a large spray bottle, like so. As always, all of the products I use in this video will be linked down below in the description box, so check it out for more info. So I'll take my ACV rinse and spray it directly onto my roots where the buildup is. You want to drench the section of hair. And work it in with your fingers. And as you can see, it has already melted the dirt away. It even got my curls trying to peek through a little bit. Okay, I see y'all. Next, I go back in with my comb and detangle a bit to remove any leftover dirt. Then I put the detangled section up in a clip and that's it. So I'll just show you the process again real quick. First, I unravel the twist by unrolling the ends and use my finger to separate the strands. I go up a few inches and continue unrolling and separating until I get to the top of the twist. I carefully remove the extension hair from the middle. Then I take the base plat out. Then I spray the section of hair with ACV and work it in. You can either use a finer tooth comb, or you can finger detangle, or you can do both. Ooh, ew. Once I have a decent amount of hair in the clip, I take it down and twist it up. Hey girl, hey! If you've made it this far, do me a quick favor and like this video. And if you haven't already, click that subscribe button too. I appreciate you. And I am done. The ACV rinse served as a pre-poo and a detangler, so my hair feels super soft and it makes the wash process go a lot smoother. Oh, and you know the extension hair I took out? I'm just gonna put that to the side and save it. I actually have a project in mind for it, but that'll be for another video. Well, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. God bless.